live from Vegas, live from Eureka Park, Sylvain Jacquard. Thank you for hosting My Global Village.
It's a great pleasure to have My Global Village here on the stage and remotely connected worldwide. It's very impressive of many persons we have connected today and here on the Swiss Pavilion. Second session for today, Marc-Lionel. Second session about AI with many startups. We'll have 11 startups from many countries, Belgium, Switzerland, France, Canada, etc., etc.
And also Japan, isn't it? Or maybe we're going to be on the next station, Japan?
Good question. I have no Japanese.
Okay, yeah,
today,
no.
but,
Okay,
we'll
see.
find a solution.
Okay, we'll make you pitch if you forget. I'm going to check
Okay.
that's in a while. Okay, so we have jury member here on stage. Please, jury member, thank you for your time. Thank you for your participation. But we also have many cities connected, clusters, investors, integrator, and thank you for your time of being connected.
Japanese company, please stay with us because we'll have a session for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So who's going to be the first candidate?
The first candidate, if you are ready, all of you will be a company from Belgium with Phoenix AI. You are here in person, right? Oh, absolutely. Okay. So maybe we have a PowerPoint presentation. Yes, we have a clicker as well. Where is my clicker? Here. Here we are. So the roles are clear. 90 seconds. Are you ready?
I am.
Okay, good luck.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Thanks for having me today. I'm the CEO and founder of the company. So today we're talking about edge on-device AI. So the question is, well,
it takes time. It takes time.
So the question is, we are developing a technology that is able to bring AI to any existing IP camera, because at the end of the day, we are surrounded by billions of cameras, but none of them is smart enough. So we are supplying an incredible small electronic card that's bringing AI on an edge on-device perspective. So it is working 100% standalone without any cloud, any server. Sorry about it. So this is what it looks like, small electronic board. It can work, as I told you, 100% on the edge in green. And we have also all the software needed. So it's a fully end-to-end solution working on the edge. The great thing is the solution has also been made to work with partners applications. So we have a growing network of integrators, and we are also distributed by Tech Data and IBM all around the world. And we have a fully documented API for partners. So unfortunately, I won't get time enough to show you all the use cases, but we are talking about surveillance for transportations. We are talking about littering. We are talking about surveillance, smart cities, and stuff like this.
10 seconds.
So impossible to show you, but in a nutshell, for instance, we can detect graffitis in real time. We are working with a lot of travel companies in Europe, which are train companies. That's an example of the graffiti here. We have more than 20 AI models running already on our platform. And we can make run, of course, the AI of the partners.
We have to stop. The time is over. Unfortunately, I have to be very strict.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I give you 20 seconds more. So congratulations, a big applause. It was the first company of this second session, Phoenix AI from Belgium.
All right, thank you, Mr. Jacquard, which will be the next candidate.
Okay, now we will have Swiss companies. The first one is Fusion Lab Technology, an AI copilot for blind and visually impaired people. Please join us on the stage.
Your turn. Go ahead, Mel.
Thank you very much.
Normally we have a presentation, right?
Yes, I believe.
Yes.
Thank you.
So the screen is almost ready.
Yeah.
Okay, just a technical problem. 1 second. Biped.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. My name is Mael. I'm the co-founder of Biped, the world's first AI copilot for the blind. What I'm wearing on me right now is a solution we're developing. It's the future of mobility for blind people. So Biped is a smart harness that can detect, track, and predict the trajectories of all surrounding elements a few seconds in advance. The project started because I met a girl who lost sight at the age of 19. And just like 50,000 people in Switzerland, 2 million people in Europe, and 2 million people in the US, that girl is blind. She has troubles on a daily basis to avoid obstacles, to find objects in places that are especially crowded, and she tends to avoid them. And finally, to navigate in new places alone. And she usually requires help from their relatives there. So what we're building is something that is inspired by the way driverless autonomous vehicles work, but at the pedestrian level, meaning the device that you just wear on the shoulders has a set of 3D cameras. The 3D cameras then after can detect, track, and predict the trajectories of all surrounding elements a few seconds in advance so that the blind user has time to stop if something is coming in his or her direction. That's a demo of our software. So we're just on the booth there, so you can also see the demo right in live. But what's happening is you can see the obstacles that are being detected in red. You can see all the objects that are being detected and tracked. And you can see on the map the trajectories of all surrounding elements. All right, so this is it for us. We're at CES mostly looking for partners, investors for our Series A next year, and media coverage. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. A big applause for Fusion Lab Technology with the product Biped. If you want to test their product, please visit their booth here on the Swiss Pavilion. This Swiss company will be followed by another Swiss company with Animatico. Animatico, are you with us? Yes, you are. Now with PowerPoint presentation as well. Yes, to take microphone and the clicker if you need. The clicker is on the table as well. Only one. Okay. So Animatico providing the next generation of customer engagement with avatars. So we try to put your the system. It's a little bit direct. Yes. Okay. It's all right. Yes. Here we are. We are ready, I think. Okay. Good luck.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. I think this is supposed to be a video, but it's not running. So anyways, my name is Ricardo. I'm a co-founder of Animatico. We are a spin-off with a past at Disney where we learned how powerful is the emotional connection that we humans have with animated characters. Now at Animatico, we do the next step. We bring these animated characters to life by making them not only animated, but also interactive. If you think of how human-machine interaction has evolved in time, we always went towards something more natural, more human, from keyboards to touchscreens to voice controls like Siri and Alexa. We think our characters are the next step to make the communication between human and machines even more natural and human. We provide brands with our avatars to be put in their stores to help their customers in their stores. The avatars are placed in big screens with a camera and a microphone, and we understand what's happening in the stores. The avatars hear and see the users with deep learning and computer vision and attract the users to the screen. Once the users are in front of the screen, they communicate with the avatar through very fun and natural interactions like little games or quizzes. The goal is to educate the customers about the brands with some storytelling. Of course, we want to cover the whole customer journey of the brands from the physical stores to the metaverse stores in the future. We're going to raise a new round this year. So if you're interested, don't hesitate to come to our booth over there and talk to our new avatar, Violet. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you so much. It was 90-second pitch of Animatico with their avatars. The last Swiss company for this session will be Typewise. Typewise with David. Please join me on the stage and with your AI text prediction engine. Are you ready? Please take the microphone, the clicker.
Absolutely.
Are you all set? Yes. Okay, so good luck.
Cool. Hey, I'm David. I'm the CEO of Typewise. Every day, we waste 1.5 hours typing in our digital devices. That's why we've created Typewise with the mission of making daily lives easier by decoding human thoughts. Now, we do that on the smartphone keyboard with the next generation keyboard application that reduces typos by 4 times, allows you to communicate in multiple languages simultaneously, and also protects privacy 100%. Now, this app has been downloaded over 1.7 million times already, and we won, again, the Innovation Award of the CES. Now, we're bringing this technology also to desktop computers. You get inline predictions of what you're going to type next, which saves you a lot of time and improves also the quality of your writing in any web-based application. We've already started working with global companies of implementing this technology in their systems. The underlying AI technology outperforms Apple, Google, Microsoft, and even Grammarly, patent pending here in the US. And so please come talk to me if you want to learn more. And of course, you can download the app. It's for free. Just scan the code. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It was David from TypeWise, a Swiss company, AI text prediction engine. Thank you so much. Two startups to go before starting the first Q&A session.
Impressive casting today of AI technology, isn't it,
Yes,
Sylvain?
exactly. Yes, it is.
The
Definitely.
future of our industry. Okay, who's going to be the next?
Back to France, but I think they are in person here, right? With Dolphin Design. Dolphin Design.
Ladies and gentlemen, a warm applause to our candidate. Vincent, that's your turn. Go ahead.
Vincent, do you have any presentation? No presentation. Okay, feel free. Go ahead.
Yes, so I'm Vincent Yoz, CTO of Dolphin Design. So what we are trying to solve is that for everyone is talking about AI, AGI, but most of the data are right now collected on the field and sent to the cloud for most of the treatments. And just the cost of energy to going from the microcontroller to the cloud is the power consumption of Germany or France. So it's not sustainable. So what we are trying to do is to try to embed all the artificial intelligence into the devices. So we are developing new IPs to help you guys, which are developing new solutions, B2C, to develop your own chips to make AGI a reality. So you will be able to run your artificial intelligence algorithm in a milliwatt or even microwatt range. So you can run that on coin cell battery for years and without the need for connectivity and all these things that make just the planet greener.
Just make the planet cleaner. What an exciting program. Thank you. Thank you so much. It was Dolphin Design. Thank you.
So we have a booth if you want to see some demo. We are located on the CA booth. A little bit
we'll visit you for sure. Thank you so much. A big applause for Dolphin Design. Another French company before starting the first Q&A session, and afterwards we will have a second session, of course, with you at the end. It's Go to Scale. Go to Scale from France, from Montpellier, right? Exactly. R2. Okay, I got the wrong name. Okay, R2 Develop. Sorry. The screen is ready. The microphone also. So go ahead. Good luck.
Hello everyone, I'm Thomas. I'm the CTO of R2 DevOps and I'm a developer. I'm going to tell you a secret. In fact, your developer are spending all their time doing anything but producing direct value for your users. I'm not saying they are chilling on Twitter all day, far from it. In fact, the daily life of a developer is full of a mess of tool, processes, workflow, configuration, and they can focus on bring direct value for your users. And this is where R2 DevOps comes in. Okay. R2 DevOps is an open source and collaborative platform that allows your developer to simplify all their painful tasks and automate them easily. In fact, we have currently 140K usage on the current platform, fully open source. And we are on the verge of releasing the new version of the platform, AI powered and tool agnostic, allowing to centralize in one place all the mess of development ecosystem for your developer and to improve significantly their productivity and to allow you to reduce your time to market. So we are here to improve our community, to grow it, and to get feedback on the solution. So follow the link to use the platform.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. You are looking for partners here in Vegas. Please scan the QR code here for being in contact with to DevOps. And now I'm looking for my co-partner on the stage. Marc Lionel, where are you? It's time for you to join me on the stage for starting the first Q&A session.
Yeah, it starts for the Q&A, guys. Who's got questions for our candidate? Any of our candidates? Guys, if you're here on stage, please come along. Any question for a candidate? Or if you are remote, who wants to ask question to any of the candidate guys? Don't be shy. Ask your question. One question, two questions, no questions. Kevin, please come run on stage. Any jury members? Kevin from Valeo and from the Institute of Obsolescence. Come along and ask your question. To which candidate is it, Kevin?
To be paid.
Okay, where is the candidate? He's blind. Please, can you just, if there's a question for you, Mr. Blind Man.
Do you think that your solution can be help bikers?
Yes, that's a good question. There's a couple of other applications we could think of. I would say so far for the moment, it's mostly about the processing time that we're able to manage. The device runs at 4 to 5 frames per second, which at a high speed would be a bit less relevant for bikers, for example. There's a, we can put cameras pretty much anywhere, and afterwards it's a matter of the size of the computation unit we embed. But the software can do it, yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Any more questions for, okay, any Frederick, I come along on stage. Remote, is there any question remote? It's time, no remote, Frederick.
Yes, I have a question for Phoenix AI. So if you want to come over to me. You said that you have a solution that can also be embedded. So we would like to be, we are interested in having it embedded into drones. Can you elaborate a little bit about size, weight, and power of your solution, please?
So thanks about that question. So once again, the board is 10 per 11 centimeter, 125 grams, and it just needs 10 watts of power consumption. So it has been made to be put on, onto autonomous vehicles and on top of drones, of course.
So I am clicking on the follow-up discussion.
Okay, Marc Lionel, please join me on the stage and stay with me.
I never leave. When I'm here, it's just to protect the dynamic of the show. Okay, no more questions remote. Guys, if you have questions, unmute and ask directly your questions. You will be live here. Any more questions? Okay, we're right on time. So go ahead for the next second
session, exactly, of the pitch competition today with companies from France, Canada. The first one, I think in person here, is Valence Vibration. Are you with us?
Balance progression?
No,
Valence.
this is remote.
It's on remote.
Remotely connected.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, that's your turn. 90 seconds to be extraordinarily convincing. Go ahead.
All right, let me get my slides up here. Let me know when you can see it.
Okay, Chloe.
Okay.
All right. Hello, everyone. I'm Chloe Duckworth, the CEO of Valence Vibrations, and we're an early stage emotional AI company based in Los Angeles, California. We aim to make emotional communication more accessible across neurotypes, languages, and cultures by delivering emotional feedback in real-time conversation. Through visual and haptic signals, users are able to quickly and discreetly interpret the emotions of those around them. Our products help reduce emotional miscommunications, allowing people to better understand and connect with those around them. Emotional miscommunications are more common than you might realize. There's currently 10% of the world population with a condition called alexithymia, which means they struggle to recognize the emotions of themselves and those around them. And this commonly co-occurs with autism and ADHD. But outside of what we refer to as neurodivergent populations, emotional miscommunications are common when communicating with someone of a different culture or neurotype, because it's simply harder to recognize the emotions of people who express their emotions differently from you. And so we've created a software for haptic products like Apple Watch and Neosensory Buzz to bridge communication across different types of people using sensory augmentation technology, literally delivering the emotions of people that you're speaking with as a unique vibration to better interpret them in real time. We've also created an application for Zoom that enables people to see emotional subtitles in real-time conversation. All applications will be launching in the spring, and interested parties can sign up on our waitlist on our site. We'd also love to connect with corporate partners and investors for our next round. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was balanced vibration, remotely connected, emotional communication as a service.
Who's going to be the next candidate?
The next candidate also from France, Calais in the north, with UTech. UTech, are you remotely connected or with us in Vegas?
UTech, are you here? Here on stage?
Normally, Mathilde.
Not here, they disappear. Anyway, we save time. Next candidate.
No Mathilde. Okay, so the third company from Canada, Watershed Monitoring. Are you with us?
Okay,
yes,
ladies and
here.
gentlemen, from Quebec, Watershed Monitoring. Warm applause, please, ladies and gentlemen.
Solution for water quality data. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you need a clicker?
No.
No.
I'll
Okay,
be
no
fine. Thank you
clicker.
very
So
much.
good luck.
So just to make things clear, I'm here, very pleased to be here in Las Vegas today to represent Watershed Monitoring Europe. I'm CEO and co-founder, Sonia Bemel of Watershed Monitoring Europe and Watershed Monitoring Canada. Climate change and human activities are increasing the pressure on our precious resource of water, and we need to help our clients to improve and to restore water quality in our lakes and rivers and groundwaters. Therefore, we provide to our clients, universities, water agencies, cities, and private companies to improve their integrated water quality data management through our proven technology, Enki, in order to help them develop water safety plans to, sorry, this is a bit annoying in the back, water safety plans, decision support, and early warning systems. And one huge challenge which we have been addressing recently is harmful algae blooms, also known as cyanobacteria blooms, which develop very rapidly. They produce toxins and are a serious threat to human and animal health. Therefore, we developed with our French partner Scalian and the support of the French and the European Space Agency a predictive tool for cyanobacteria blooms. So preparedness is everything. We help our clients be prepared to implement best management practices to manage their data in order to restore and protect our water resources. So today we are looking for new clients for our proven technology Enki for the data management, and we are looking for early adopters of our predictive tool for cyanobacteria blooms. So thank you very much for your attention. Please visit us at our website, watershedmonitoring.com, and in the French booth right here in the pavilion in Las Vegas. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Watershed Monitoring.
Good job.
We know the condition here on the stage are difficult because it's very noisy, but it's a condition in live. Okay, another green tech company from France.
Okay, another one, ladies and gentlemen. Warm applause
right?
to David, ladies and gentlemen. David.
Great green tech innovation.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Do you have any presentation?
Yeah, green tech innovations.
Yeah, you have a presentation, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need the clicker? The
Yeah.
clicker. I think we are all set. So good luck.
Good morning, everybody. I'm David Schkery, the CEO from Green Tech Innovation, the French company. And I would like to introduce to you our innovative solution, solar relight. Traditionally, street lighting is synonymous with huge cost for cities. With the current challenges, environmental challenges, we need some solution to think differently and produce and imagine energy differently. For the solar relight, this is a new IoT street lighting. We are integrated different IoT function for the smart city, and Green Tech Innovation has designed a new way, to organize and to challenge the IoT system and administrate, like that, the energy consumption for all the IoT. Street lighting is not just for just the lighting, but for a lot of other function, very useful for smart cities. Yeah, like that. Energy project was managed and designed, to works with data collection coming from IoT and transmitted in the secured cloud. And with this data, we organize, a new function
10
for
seconds.
the connected street lighting system. Thank you very much for your attention, please.
Thank you,
Thank
David.
you very much for this green tech, better for the planet, guys. Okay.
Solution
Who's going to
for
be the next
monitoring energy
candidate?
flow. So 2 startups to go, Marc Lionel, for the second session. The first one from Clermont-Ferrand in France.
Clermont-Ferrand in the
You are
center
here
of
on-
France. Donc,
No, it's not the center of France. I've
no,
learned it's more
Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes,
closer to
but it's-
Nevers.
Nevers, yes. Precisely, it's Saint-Amand-Montrond, if you want to know.
Hey,
It's,
Swiss precision, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Your turn,
So-
Nicholas.
Exactly. So are you ready? You have a presentation, you have the clicker, the microphone. 90 seconds.
That works. Hello, I'm Nicolas Bourdel, a surgeon and the CEO of Sharia Surgical Augmented Reality. Actually, minimally invasive surgery have really revolutionized surgery. I operate through a camera and with tiny incision. There's huge advantages for the patient in terms of mortality and morbidity. But for the surgeon, there's really strong issues as I can't see directly the organ and I can't palpate the organs. So what we developed with Sugar is a first and unique solution of augmented reality for laparoscopic surgery. So as you can see on the right, I can see inside the organs. That means Sugar make the invisible visible. I'm guided during the surgery because of our device. In 2 years, in fact, we built a complete team of 26 collaborators. We already have the financial support for the first 2 years, and we have our first device that you can see in our booth. But we need a Series A funding now to go on the US market, to get a FDA clearance, to scale up, and to have our first revenue in the United States. And this is the good moment. We want to be the world leader of artificial intelligence and augmented reality guided surgery. This is the right moment. We have the right team and the right technology. So saving lives through better surgery. Thank you very much.
Excellent.
Very good job, Nicholas.
It was
very,
real-time
very good job.
surgical augmented reality.
We have tremendous candidates today, isn't it?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so who's going to be the next?
Okay, the next and the last, but not
Last
least.
but not least is
company. So welcome on the stage.
Philippe, that's your turn. Your microphone and 90
is
seconds.
ready. So feel free to start. Good luck. 90 seconds.
Hello, hello. Hello, do you hear me? Good morning, everybody. I am Philippe Jolivet. I am the co-founder and the CEO of Aliai, a French company based in Nancy, France. At Aliai, we develop empathetic AI, which dialogues on a daily basis with the patients, and that allows us to assess on a continuous way the quality of life and the mental health of the patients. So our AI is able to exchange, is able to understand the patient, is able to speak the same language as the patient, and exchange about the habits of the patient, the behaviors, the day-to-day activities, and the hobbies. And this is a way for us to get and to assess the mood of the patient, the social interactions, as well as the quality of sleep, for example. And this is in order to and we use this information and this and patient insight to translate it into meaningful and actionable information for the healthcare professional, as well as for the patient themselves. So in order to do that, we have developed a unique technology, which is a combination of chatbots. Each of them have a specific skill. So currently we have 3 chatbots. One is dedicated to empathy. The other one is dedicated to medical knowledge, and the other one to advices. So depending on the context of the conversation, one of the 3 chatbots is going to take the lead out of the 3 chatbots. And this is going to be transparent, obviously, for the patients. We are here at the CIS to find further partnership with other use cases. For the moment, we have one use case with the chronic pain, and we partner with Institut Analgesia in France with chronic, and we are currently included in a study with 5,000 patients that we are following up on a day-to-day basis. And so we are here to find new use cases and also to prepare our next fundraising end of 2022. So thank you for your attention, and thank you. We are here at the booth 60, 400 in the Eureka Park if you want to see us. Thank you very much.
We will visit you for sure. I think your needs are very clear. Thank you so much. Marc-Lionel, I need you on the stage because it's all for the second session. We will start the first Q&A, the second session.
Guys. So any jury members, Kevin, Frederick, Yannick, and all the jury members here, do you have any question for our candidate? Please come along. And also on remote, guys, on remote, do you have any question? Wants to ask questions to our candidates? Kevin, come along. Kevin from Valeo and from the French Institute of Obsolescence.
So for green tech innovations. Yeah, so do you think that you can add some speakers or something like this on your tools? Some speakers on your tool. And the other question is, each device is connected to a computer, or you are spreading a device to have the connection at the beginning?
Very good question. Speakers like the other IoT are standalone, and are directly, the energy which this IoT needs, it's directly provided by the street lighting, which produce more energy than it consumes. So that's why it could be, managed, intelligently with a priority between IoT, and on the connection, we have installed, different way of communication, LoRa, Wi-Fi, 4G and 5G, and it depends of the data, to consume a lower energy. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Some other questions, guys, here on stage or remote?
Marco?
Yes, go ahead. Yeah, Doctor. Hello, Dr. Lionel Lamour.
Hi. Just a question for Sergar. Have you any clinical trial or animal trial, something on clinical?
Yeah, we already published clinical data on uterine surgery and liver surgery. There's an ongoing clinical trial for gynecological surgery, and we published many preclinical study. So we already have this preclinical and clinical background for
okay,
the marking objective and FDA clearance. Yeah, if that was the question. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Dr. Lionel Lamour from SovLife. He developed an application for safety, when to save people when they have a heart attack. Who's another question, guys? Remote, do you have any question for our candidate, guys? Any more question?
Or maybe here?
Any more questions here on stage? I think it's all right right now. No, so dear jury members, it's time now to vote. It's time now to send your evaluation to the central studio. One comment?
No, just to...
okay, let's do it. In the meantime, we finished the result. Letty, are you connected in Marseille? Letty, because...
Yes, I'm here.
Hello, Letty. And
hello.
Letty, Yes, in 1 hour here we will have your boss from Marseille, but
Yeah.
we are very happy to confirm that some territory, we are more than 100 territory in the world, are offering welcome pack if you want to invest, you want to develop your activities in America and Africa, and you are, for instance, Letty, one of our partner. One word concerning the pack you're offering to the winners.
Yes, I'm very happy to offer to the three winners a 2-day learning expedition in order to discover how to develop yourself in Marseille, Provence. I will send you an email to settle the term with you on Monday, on Thursday. And good luck for all the candidates.
Friends, you will be invited and you will discover all the ecosystem to accelerate your business throughout Europe. Okay, Sylvain, this was an example. David, do you have the final free result of the winner of this AI session? Okay, so number 3, Sylvain.
The third company, Alia.
LEIA. The number 2
Watershed Monitoring Europe.
Yes, Europe and also Quebec. Of course, congratulations.
And the winner is
1,
Valence Vibration. Congratulations.
Valence Vibration. Are you still connected with us, Valence?
Yes, thank you.
Yes, go ahead. So one word, how are you happy to be the winner of this AI and deep learning session?
Yes, thank you. Thank you all for voting.
You're already contacted by your media partner. Of course, you will receive a welcome pack from territories, and you have won within My Global Village the possibility to pitch up all years long. Next stop will be South by Southwest, will be the Mobile World Congress and Hanover Messe in the coming month for My Global Village. So congratulations. Something to add, Sylvain? We met up for the last session in a while.
Exactly. So in around 15 minutes, I think we will have our third session for today and last one about blockchain, IoT, robotic, 5G technologies.
Thank you very much. That's all, folks. Now let's meet up in about a quarter for the next session, the next pitching session. Bye-bye.
See you soon.